Just a little video of where fan. I hear like a fan mono sound on the comment if there's something wrong with it. If there, you don't have to comment, see what's wrong with it, and you can if you want. I don't care. I'll try and reply to it, but the compressor won't start 'cause it's cold out. We'll start on low fan. We'll put it on high. Yeah, it's too noisy for you. I put my props like that. Here's high fan. It'll go louder. It'll get louder than some high fan. Let me just put something here like cup or something. Like a cup right here. See if it'll blow it. Yeah, it won't blow it. Already king. Well, this is forever mine. Until it dies. Cooling won't work. What? No, not yet. I might do it maybe when I get home for the last start of all my air conditioners. Until they come, they're time to go home. Time to. It's been 2 months. They really needed them. There's a little fan